want Chidima back. I just want my sister back.
She will come back. Trust me, she will. The God we serve will bring her back.
When?
Don't worry, by the time we finish our fasting, I have faith that she will come back. Please.
Will I tell my mother or will I tell my mama?
She will come back. Fine. I trust the God we serve. Nothing will happen to her.
I just want to lose like Chidima.
Where?
That face was covered with blood, so I didn't see it clearly. Check her! No, check her! No, don't do this! No, check her!
No, my love, you can't! My love!
Don't do this! It's not your sister!
My love!
Check her!
She okay, Doc?
Okay, yeah, she's fine, but please, she would need some space now. She needs to rest. Mr. Afam, can I see you in my office now?
Okay, you people should take care of her. Let me see the doctor quickly.
Well, Mr. Afam, I called you here to break a rather bad news to you, and whatever I tell you here now, I want you to take it like a man that you are, please. Is that okay?
Okay, go on.
As it is, your wife lost the pregnancy. Yeah, she had a major shock that led to too much bleeding. Her BP was high, and due to the complications, we weren't able to handle it, although we tried our possible best. And even at that, the baby was still lost. I'm sorry about that, and I would want you to take it easy on yourself. Because when you're strong, you know she's strong. She actually would derive a lot of strength from you. So please, try to be strong for her sake. But I would like to ask, what really led to this whole predicament that caused it?
Afam, what is it?
Afam, talk.
Can you tell me what the problem is?
She lost the baby.
Oh my God! Lord have mercy. What?
How do we break this news to her now? How?
Just take it easy, okay? Calm down. Actually,
What kind of temptation is this?
Is this human blood?
Yes, I was passing when I saw the body lying here covered with blood. This was where I saw the body.
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Okay, fine. Hello? Excuse 1 minute, please.
Sorry, good day. Please, Do you know what happened to the body that was dumped here?
The police just took the body away, not up to 20 minutes ago.
Sorry, do you know the station where they took the corpse to?
No, I don't know.
Okay, so which way did they pass?
I don't know. Do I look like a policeman?
So, why do you want to see me?
Okay, this thing I want to tell you, so I know if you come out here until you agree with me, oh. I know come out until you tell me say you don't hear and you agree.
Okay, I have heard you, and I agreed. So, what do you have to say?
On election day, this election where you go run, so
yes.
hope you say you dey run for office. I know me come out for house. You just day house, you day your day. Me, I will day my day. Everybody will day in day like that. And you know, come out for house.
Why?
Okay, I get very bad dream. You be good man, you don't help me. I know I make anything happen to you. All these people when they follow you, when they come, but they carry bag, they wear black. I don't trust any of them. I beg, not go anywhere. I beg.
That's all right. That's all right. Thank you very much, my dear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
But nothing is going to happen to me. Nothing is going to happen to me.
Okay, I know, sir. I know. But that day of election, just like for the say you know where. Offer your phone, no come out. Just the house. I'm not going to be if anything happen to you, sir, because you be good man. I'm not going to be, don't trust anybody.
Why do you want me to stay away from the election? Huh? They are casting vote for me and you don't want me to be there?
Okay, whether you no go, if you go, they will still vote. They will vote. I beg, no go. Just stay for house. I beg.
Thank you very much, But all I'm saying is nothing is going to happen to me. Listen to me, my dear. I have been in this business for so many years. Don't worry. I will know how to take care of myself.
Yes, but that day when they come now, you know we'll go anywhere. You will just cap your day, your day.
I've heard you.
Thank you, sir.
So, you can go. I said I've heard you. You can go.
Yes, okay, make they go now. Yes, yes.
Yes, you go. Thank you,
Yes, make they go. You just day your day. No need to go anywhere.
Oh my God.
You go your day, day. You understand me, sir?
It's all right. Thank you,
Okay, you see me like they go.
Yeah, you can go.
Afu mefu. Onobia. Chika. Ki iru gido to? Is anything the matter?
Sorry, it's Chidema in.
Chidema. Mbao. What happened in the city?
She be.
What happened?
Mama, we've been looking for Chidema. Went to the market to buy stuff we needed for the house. So I dropped her off and told her to buy what she needs while I used the ATM. So on coming back, Chidema was nowhere to be found.
For how long?
For 2 days now, Mama.
Hey, Chidema!
Olúbẹ̀ kọ́ náà. Mama, nothing has gone on. We'll find out. Mama. We'll find out. Mama, we'll find out. Olúbẹ̀. No, we will. Mama, nothing happened to her.
What is happening? Mama.
No, we'll find her.
We'll find out.
Yeah, she will back.
Yes.
Don't calm down. She will back. Stop crying. I said stop crying. Nothing will happen to her. Imagine him, man. Take it easy, take it easy. Come on, man. It's okay.
Okay, hey, Baba God, another election don't they come. Moga don't try for a very long time. Make him win. Anybody will go make a no win. Holy Ghost fire.
Oh, come, Baba. Oh, come. My party.
Usama, this is why you're singing praises to me. I hope there's no problem. Make you tell me something. Usama, I don't get time for all those things. If you want to talk.
Come, good news, oh, come.
Make it be good news, oh. It be Jehovah's Witness.
You see that way you don't disturb me for sleep. I will give you today.
Usama, see, let me tell you. If there's anything I hate in this life, I'm a April Fool. Are you serious?
I say, make we go inside now. Oh, contact, Baba. I too appreciate you.
Wait, to make you not be say, I dey hallucinate or say I get typhoid.
Oh, come, Baba. I enter the place. Then look who's the place too.
Chiki. Hi. See. You know, say, Oga. Oga go soon come out. So in order for us not to have distraction, I foresee make we wait, make Oga come out so that once we start the thing, we go now can reach the end without any distraction.
If you no go do it now, bye bye.
Well, come.
Okay, now they keep me there. Don't give me your key.
Why?
I go lock you inside because I never give Oga food. So me I foresee me you go bath, come out your clothes, naked, inside blanket. Then me I lock you inside. After I give Oga food, somebody to come to give a knock. Everybody go know it will go down. It don't go good.
You get sense.
Just open the door, enter, come meet inside the blanket.
You get sense. Honestly speaking. You know, as a matter of fact, today when I dey bath, I see something they tell me say, if you say something will happen. I wash everything clean. If it sparkling clean. If you enter there, oh my chick, it is sweet, pepper like correct. So when I remove clothes, remove everything. Enter.
I've been looking for you. I was looking for phone, I didn't see you. Can I use your phone to make a call? Very important call and a personal call. My phone? I'll give you back. Okay. I beg you. Thank you. When I got ready to come out, I'll come call you. I'll give you the phone. Thank you.
They say I'm thinking I'm a farmer that house to make the money in the village. I don't know what to say, but they say I'm dirty. The city people think I'm crazy, cause I'm hustling in dating. But they don't know that the city is for everybody. I'm gonna go right there, pick up my life and hustle. And I'm gonna boost my hustle. And if I make this money, then go down Malaga. Una go see my hustle go pay. Then go down Malaga. And if I make this money, then go down Malaga.
You are ready?
Yes.
Chief is calling me.
Chief.
But before you go, give me the package. I'll let you know when it's ready.
Okay. Are you done with my phone?
No, I'm done with it.
To make this hustle to pay, I'm gonna go right there, pick up a life and hustle. I'm gonna boost my hustle. And if I make this money, then go down Malaga. Hey, when I go say my hustle go pay, then go down Malaga. Hey, and if I make this money, then go down Malaga. Hey, when I go say my hustle go pay, then go down Malaga. Hey, and if I make this money, then go down Malaga. Hey, when I go see my hustle go pay, then go down Malaga. Hey, and if I make this money,
kept one here, kept the other here, and I was charging this other one and I kept this other one here. So what happened? Where is my phone? Where are the 2 phones?
Where are your phone? I didn't see them.
Where is Uzoma and Okonta?
Uzoma, she's outside. She said that you want to see me.
I did not ask her to call you. I did not. I am looking for my phone now. How will I talk to my friends? Today is the election day. What will I do? I kept my phone here. I kept the other one here. Please, go and call them. Go and call Uzoma. Yes, tell Uzoma to come here now. What nonsense is this?
Everywhere is locked. As I'm talking to you now, every door is locked.
What do you mean every door is locked? No. Don't tell me that.
Every door, all the whole door is
locked. How can the whole doors be locked?
I can't go out.
No. It cannot. It can't be. Today is my election. How can I communicate my friends? How? Doors locked, my phones I cannot. Give me away. Give me away. If I get that girl, I will deal with her.
Let me be the chief security officer of this house. I don't secure everywhere now. I don't know who want kill you. I don't feel allow you to go outside. Me I no go kill you through away. Everybody they follow you and don't trust them. So nobody go enter this compound. Nobody go come up for this compound today.
Yeah. Uzoma.
Sir?
Uzoma.
Yes, sir.
Who locked up the whole doors?
I, sir.
For what?
For security, sir.
What security?
Your safety.
No. Are you insane? Are you mad?
Yes, sir. Are they mad? Because I don't already advise you, I don't beg you, as you not agree here, I no feel leave you, may you go kill yourself. Now to make I secure the entire place.
I think you must be joking, eh? Anyway, Uzoma, please come and open this door.
I no go fit, sir.
Uzoma, say come and open this door for me.
I no go fit, sir.
Eh? Where's Okonta? Okonta!
Oga, I didn't inside this place, so she locked me. I don't even feel come outside.
Oh, she locked you up too? No, I don't understand what you mean. Are you insane?
Okay, because today na election. And I know say they won't kill you outside. You don't too bless my life. I know if you leave you, may you go die there like how.
Who will kill me? Nobody. Nobody can kill me.
Okay, that's why everybody always talk until they die.
Listen, Uzoma, if I drop down from this place, I will destroy you. Come on, put this, I want to go out.
Sir, once you jump down, I wound your wound last. Okay, tie your body.
Which body? Huh? Which body? Who's Uzoma? You get mine. You have to have my body. You be doctor.
Okay. Uzoma. My phones and those things there.
They're safe. They're there, yes, sir.
I want to have them, please. Give them to me.
I don't hold on for you, sir.
What kind of nonsense is this, for Christ's sake? Hey, you want to destroy my career? Okay. It's all right. I'm okay. What on earth did I do to this girl? Eh? What did I do to her? Eh? Everywhere locked. How will I communicate my agents? Eh? Today is the election day. How will I communicate my agents? Okay. If I get this girl, if I get her, I will teach her a lesson that she will never forget in her life. In her entire life.
Oga, she's even with my phone. If not, I would have made some calls. Oga? Oga, we have to do whatever we can to leave this place now. If you do not show up today, Oga, you will lose the election.
I will lose it. I will lose it. I will lose it. Go and try it. Go. Go and try. Go and try your best. If she will come and open the door, try your best, please. Knock.
Where could she have gone? I
don't know. I just don't know. We've searched for her everywhere in the city before coming down here. That girl doesn't listen. I tried so hard to talk her out from living that kind of life. Where I live, there are so many guys that are into shady deals. You know, fetish things. I tried to talk this girl. This is not the way to live in the city. But she wouldn't listen. Now, see.
Hi.
Osirion ofu moto buy or buy and cause. Osirion.
Let's just hope we'll find her. Girls of nowadays, they don't listen. You tell them to stay here, they will sit. By the time you turn, they will jump to the other side.
Especially that Chidemma. She doesn't listen. Her ears are just standing up like antenna. She doesn't listen.
Hi. Manana, have you gone to the police, radio station and the imagasino so that people will hear and know someone is missing?
I have spoken to my DPO friend NGOZI. He said he will do something. Then for the radio station, I have a friend there, Bolly. I'll still call him and let him know.
So that we can find her.
I will, man.
Hey.
I will.
Hell.
See, Uzomama tell you, if I finally come outside, you could die for my hand for this nonsense way you do.
And they try to save a gun life.
So you know the kind of thing where they do for you? The history where they create?
No problem. Just get ready to die, because by the time I come out, this thing where you do me, you could die for. And just the ones where you don't do, you could die for.
If you kill my body, you will kill my soul.
Yes, sir.
And then they call you, don't say you don't go see anybody.
Uzoma.
Sir, yes, sir.
Is that not my phone ringing?
Your phone been a ring before. Don't ring one way. And then people won't kill you, and then they call you. To know where you did.
You said what?
People won't kill you, sir. And then they call you to know where you did.
Uzoma. Please. Yes, I have done so much for you.
Yes, sir.
Why not just allow me have my phone? So let me have my phone, and that is all. You can lock up the door, lock up everywhere. I don't care, but let me just have my phone.
As your voice humble, sir, now I know say you want to do something. You want to collect your phone, maybe for pick up police for me.
No, I can't do that. No, I know you are saving my life, please. Please, help me.
Greg is very wicked. He's very wicked. Since I start working for him, he has not even bought a car for me. His family based in America. Then I am here suffering for him as if I'm a church mouse. Other politicians are paying better. So he must be eliminated this season.
See, Ogagent.
And let the other man become the senator.
Ogagent. Why not we go straight to his house and do this? Because we are just wasting our time. I know we are taking a very big risk here. And one thing I want to let you know is that I hope say our money, our kaluba is in tight. Because when we are through with this, if you bring that your story come out, you know say it's a bit talk story. And then I go let you know say I go to walk, no be church walk. I didn't make guys lose over sack.
See, Chief is not even picking his car. By now, he's supposed to be here.
Guys, Chief might have taken another road. And we are here wasting our time.
No road. This is the only way he will pass to his polling unit. Urgent, are you sure? Are you sure that
the driver is here with us?
Are you sure that Chief must follow this road? Because I know why I'm telling you this. We have been wasting a lot of time and we didn't see anybody.
He will pass here, trust me.
Dog, go inside that motor, make sure go inside it. But urgent, are you sure? Because we have wasted a lot of time.
Take her away from this place.
Sir, I know say you want to arrest me. But the thing what I do now, only this God I know. Now only this God I know the good thing what I do.
And what about the one I have done? Eh? What about... Take this girl out of this place. I don't train foolish people.
You have to remain silent. Whatever you say here you do, we use against you in the court of law. Now move.
Move away. Take her away. Move. Move out.
Nonsense. You think I train rubbish in this house? Listen, and whenever you come back to this house, don't ever, in fact, you will never remain here again.
Sir, I think you might be making a mistake. We need to talk inside.
I am not ready to listen to any talk for now. I am not happy at all, you can see. I am not just happy. That fool ruined my political career.
Look at me. I missed the election. I'm not ready to listen. Look at me. Look at me. No, I want you to look at me. Where am I? Saving rubbish. I'm very sorry about that.
So, Chris. Yes, sir. What did you say on the phone? That my car was sprayed with bullets?
Exactly, sir. It's by the grace of God that the other guys and I escaped. As we speak, boss, the driver and some other casualties along the roadside when the thing happened are in the general hospital.
Oh my God. Does it mean I was their target?
Obviously, sir. Your car was sprayed with bullets on the day of the election. Obviously, you are the target, sir. They planned to assassinate you.
Do you know that Uzoma told me about her dream?
Oh, she did?
Yes. No wonder that girl locked me indoors. All true. It is not very clear. Her dreams would have been very true. Now, we have to go to the police station right away. I have to bail that girl outright because she has saved my life. Just wait. I'll be back in a jiffy. Wait.
My woman, my everything.
Please, what is going on? Why are you dancing?
What's going on?
No, baby, just take a very good look at this man standing here. Tell me how much he's worth. No, for real. No, tell me how much did you think this man is worth?
Please, can you start telling me what is it?
You know, all of that toiling, late night outings, staying awake all the time,
Okay.
pressing my laptop, making calls, meeting calls, not having time for you, you know, all those problems. Guess what? It has finally paid off. This man right here is worth long money. In fact, I'm worth 120 million naira first payment.
Oh my God. You're joking, right?
I'm not joking. This is not night of 1,000 laughs.
Oh my God. Baby, I'm so happy for you.
My woman, my everything. God has finally done it for us.
I'm so happy for you.
Hold on. I need to get something. Oh, not now. Yeah, hello? Well, I'm okay. I'm just here celebrating with my woman. Oh, really? Oh. We can skip that later? Oh, okay. All right. Just keep the documents. I'm coming. Okay. Oh, this is not.
They are calling you again.
Yes, my love. I need to, sign some necessary documents for the second payment to be released. But that won't be a problem. When I come back right now, we will head to the car stand. Okay? Select any kind of car you want. Your man with the long money will pay.
You're joking!
I'm not joking. I love you more.
Pick up my life and hustle, and I'm gonna boost my hustle. And if I make this money, then go down Malaga. Una go see say my hustle go pay. Then go down Malaga. And if I make this money, then go down Malaga. Una go see say my hustle go pay. Then go down Malaga. They tell me slow down. The way you the hustle no be say you go blow now. Take 'em easy and know that also you can control life. But I want this money and I want to jolly to make this hustle to pay. I'm gonna go right there, pick up a life and hustle. I'm gonna boost my hustle, and if I make this money, then go down Malaga. Hey. I go say my hustle go pay. Then go down Malaga.
Fantastic! Wow. You are welcome. Look at how fresh you are looking.
Wow. It's so good to be home. Man.
Of course, it's good to be home. Gentlemen,
you're welcome.
It's like where you came from, junior. Tap the seniors.
That's how stars do.
That's how stars do.
That's how stars do.
That's how stars do.
No, that's how stars do.
That's how stars do.
Alright.
And I could use.
Check in the trunk and get what is inside the house.
The trunk, you carry trunk, come back.
No, open the boot.
Okay, the boot. Yeah, I'm gonna get trunk. That's how stars do. And I could use. That's how stars could use. Driver. Come and open this in now. You're coming. What about the luggages? No bag, no Americana. By the way, I thought people who come from America, they wear native in America. I thought they wear baggy jeans and big polo. Look at you. Chiroko, this one that is not carrying bag. Yeah, well, ready port.
Everything was fine.
That's all right.
Please, everything was okay.
I can see. It's just telling on you.
That,
so, well, yeah,
like
you're welcome.
Right?
Oh, yeah, it's nice. It's nice. I know.
$1,000.
This must not be this country's shoes. I know that very well. Uzoma. Is Uzoma there? Please come over.
Welcome, sir.
How are you?
Yes, sir. Fine, sir.
Son, this is the lady that saved my life. Yes. If not for her, you would have been fatherless by now.
Yes. Oh, God forbid. My dear, I so much appreciate you.
Thank you.
You know, when my dad told me the funny way you saved his life.
If I said I must come and see this funny girl.
No problem, sir.
God bless you.
Stop calling me sir. My name is Benson.
Oh, okay.
Or you can still call me Ben for short.
No, no.
Quite a funny, yes, very funny lady. So you can go. You can go. Thank you very much. Actually, I was about dying for something than to live for nothing.
Oh.
So, but she saved my life.
She's very good.
Yes, my son.
Dad?
I want you back home. I want you to come home and manage our company. Because I want to relocate to the capital city to enhance my political career.
Dad.
Yes.
Dad, you're very smart. So you wanted me to come back and you had to play pranks on me.
Why don't you call me? I will come and manage your business.
Well, that is
My
the
business too.
That is the only way I could get you back home.
Oh, Dad, come of it, come of it. Dad,
right, yeah.
lest I forget. This your housekeeper.
Yes.
Please, what's her name?
Uzoma. Is there any problem?
Dad.
Yes.
She deserves a reward for what she did. What do you think?
You are right. You are right. So, what do you have in mind?
Nothing for now, but I will tell you soon. Please call her, let her get me something cheap. I'm dehydrated.
It's all right.
Babe, don't be fooled though. So you mean you believed him?
Juliet, what else do you want me to say?
Men are wicked though. Barely 3 weeks your sister got missing and has not been found. He has made more than 100 million naira. And he can't even explain why he came back with a blood stain on that very day.
He said Okada men were fighting.
Okada men were fighting. Same day your sister got missing, same day Okada men were fighting and stained his shirt with blood.
Juliet, are you by any chance insinuating that my own blood sister must have been used for ritual?
Regina daughter told me he comes home very late at night and goes out very late. What business could he be discussing so late at night?
Well, you can go ahead and drive cars with your sister's blood.
Juliet, stop it right now. You're driving me crazy. Stop. If actually Afam did use my own blood sister for money ritual, I swear I shall make him pay for it.
I don't know, but for me, you don't belong here. I don't know why you're still here in the first place. You shouldn't be staying here anymore. You don't have any business here. For someone who used your sister for ritual. For me, oh, I don't know.
I don't understand. Why are you saying no all of a sudden?
Oh yes, I said I do not want your car. Until you explain to my family and I what happened to my sister. How she got missing, Afam. Yes!
Cello. Let me get something straight. Are you accusing me of your sister's disappearance? Is that what you just said now? Chika, did you just say that to me? Juliet, did you hear what your friend said?
Biko, mbamba. Uneti kolam na middle, please. But Afam, she saw you with blood.
Yes, so I saw him with blood. In fact, Afam, let me tell you, I am leaving your house right now. And I'm not going to come back until you explain to me or you prove to me beyond all reasonable doubt that you did not use my own blood sister for money ritual. Yes.
Me? Chika, are you actually saying that to me?
Yeah? Uzoma, you don't get sense. You don't want to change. After going to police station, Uzoma don't want to change. Look at you. You went into the pot and took the biggest part of the chicken without even considering whether your guy have eaten or not. Is that how you behave? I'm talking to you. You are dowering chicken in my bed before.
Yeah. Okwenta. Me and you don't get the same destiny. I don't make them already.
You don't make her.
Even before I come sit here, I don't already make her. They complain. The risk with me I take for go ahead. You fit take am.
Even before you came to city, you've already made it. You don't know where people will make and they stay. What are you doing here? Let me tell you, I am going to report you to Oga. Hence, you have decided not to repent. You see this house. Your time in this house is numbered. Your time in this house is I am going to tell Oga they will sack you if you doubt me. Mark it something.
You want transport?
To where?
For your information. This chicken will see me the chop so. Now Oga and Oga Benson now give me. Make I tell you what go pay your body pass. Oga saying to send me go school.
Oga saying go do it. He go send you go school. To go and do what in school?
To go farm.
Of course. I thought as much. To go farm. I'm even talking. Yo. Come on, Come on, give me the Come on, Come on, I'm a human being like you. Give me chicken, let me chop. I'm a human being like you. Let me chop chicken. Give me chicken. Give me chicken, master chicken. I'm a human being.
No, Afam. You shouldn't have allowed your wife to leave this house. Ha!
So what would you have me do? What do you expect me to do? That my own wife will look me in the eyes and call me a ritualist, accusing me of using her sister for money ritual? If someone had told me that she would say such a thing about me, let alone thinking it out, I wouldn't believe it. I was already a rich man when she met me. I was doing well for myself. Now why would she call me a ritualist? Why? You are my friend and my business colleague. You know the story. All those late nights were for business purposes, nothing else. Why would she think that about me?
I'm confused.
Same here. I'm dead confused and speechless.
Afam, what is the police people saying about this?
Of course, you know how they do. That they're still looking into the case. When they get relevant information, that they will let me know. For now, it's more like I don't know where I stand.
I think you have to go home and see her mother. Yeah. This is not like you.
Yeah, I know. I will. I'm just shocked that all of these is happening to me. Call me a ritualist.
It's okay, don't worry. Everything will be fine.
Okay. Okay, good morning.
Yes, good morning. Okunta, how are you?
Okay, I know happy. I know they're okay. I know they're okay at all.
So what is the problem?
Okay, the problem is, say, as a matter of fact, I say make I come speak my mind as a big me for mind, because this thing don't they eat me food for inside mind. All they really know be if they chop food for my mind. Now I say make I come speak my mind as a big me, so I think carry me come here.
So what are you talking about? I want you to go straight to the point.
Okay, Oga, because yes. This the question where I want to ask you now. No, if you go paying you, sorry, but no verse. Oga, Uzoma, between me and Uzoma, who don't serve you for a very long time for this place, and who don't serve you well? Me and Uzoma, who first come for this place, they serve you, and who they serve you well? Because I want to know.
So is that your problem?
Okay, it's my problem. Because me, we don't serve you here since Uzoma will just come. We never even serve you for long. Never serve you reach 1 year. You don't carry Uzoma go put for school. Me, we don't here since. Okay, I don't even see school gates. I don't even see uniform. Let alone see a reader tray. They take enter school. I don't even see. But Uzoma will come the other day. Whenever he will reach how many distance, Uzoma don't enter school. Okay, why?
Okunta, do you want to go to school?
Okay, not be like say I won't go to school, but
what? then what is your problem here?
Okay, Oga, see, make I tell you this thing now through confession. Now I want to confess because I don't talk say no. I no go continue to die in silence with this thing. Every time this thing they bother my heart. Okay, Nancy, where you sack, where you say make Nancy go. Okay, as a matter of fact, Nancy now girl where you say I don't sleep, wake up, I don't dream, wake up, I don't even for life like this. I dey visualize them, I dey see them. Say Nancy now girl where you say my mind don't decide say now this girl now I want settle with, now this girl now I want marry. So when you say make I go put notice boss, notice post position, notice say new this thing, it get as this thing take do me for them. So but I say no, I'm not going to continue to keep this thing to myself. Make I can't tell you, make you they aware. Say as it be me and say as I be.
Okay, Okonta, if you want to go to school, go and get prepared. My concern is you must have to pass your exams. That's all.
I know they pass exam before. How many times you don't send me a message, I go, I don't deliver. You go send me, make I go buy drink. If I come back, I come back with accurate change. I don't pass exam. Sometimes you go tell me, say, I go sweep compound. I go sweep compound. Make sure say single sound no day there. Okay, I don't pass exam. When they tell me, say, I go cut flower. I know they cut them accurately. I don't pass exam.
That's all right.
Which one be exam again?
That's all right. You're welcome.
Okay, okay, I'm welcome.
You're welcome. I've heard you.
Okay. Okay, get us.
I've heard you.
It's just the way it's just.
It's all right, thank you.
We'll just come the other day. But okay, no problem. If you say that is okay.
Funny boy.
I don't know why.
My in-laws. After pouring out my heart, and it's also full of surprises. You see, it's with a broken heart that I'm here today. I never believed that after all the good deeds I did for this family, that they will turn around to call me names. But it's okay. At least now, I've learned my lessons.
My son, don't worry. God is watching, and He knows the heart of every man.
Exactly. He knows our heart. He knows the truth. He knows everything. You see, all my late night outings was for business purposes. Nothing attached. Was for hustling.
So that's basically the reason we all need to, focus.
So we don't end up working for nothing. At least we'll try to yield whatever that we have worked for. So we should be careful.
Like we were saying before, how much is involved in this? And how do we make sure this is entering our station?
Well, like I told you, our business is very genuine. We don't collect money because the police or naval officials might interrupt. But once you get to the office, once you get to the station, you can pay us. There's no problem.
See, some of us that doesn't have oil license, we do it stylishly to avoid mistakes so that the business will go well.
Stylishly?
Yes, of course.
Well, if you ask me, I think we all should, try so hard to have the license. It's very important. I believe with a license, you can, proceed with whatever plans you have.
So for me, I am fighting so hard right now to have the license. Because that's where all this whole thing is boiling at, eh? Having the license.
Yes, and this one pays a lot, I think so.
Yes, it's a good business.
So it sounds like we have a deal now.
Yes,
Okay. Okay. So, okay, we'll forward the account details to them.
Liar! Afam, you are nothing but a bloody liar. Liar! I still do not believe. I can never believe you. Never!
Chika, I'm a bloody liar.
Afam, we have heard all you said. But you have to come back with your people.
Uncle, this guy, this man right here, is lying. Yes, he must swear at the village deity. No, Uncle, we're talking about my own blood sister.
So let's go anywhere and swear. That's no problem. My hands are clean. Let's go and swear anywhere.
Okay. I will show you why I am called the tigress. Yes.
Well, Afam, our in-law, we heard all you said on how you have been doing heaven and earth for this family. And the ugly story you told us about our daughter Chidemma, my own daughter Chidemma, whom I always send an errand to purchase snow of water for me. Huh? Well, we have to make you swear before our shrine to prove you are innocent.
That's all, Uncle. That's all.
Tell me when we are going to swear. We'll go and swear.
Get out. Get out. Get out of my compound. Ekapo. He's talking to you. Start leaving. Start leaving. Start leaving.
I should get out.
Get out.
I should get out.
Get out.
Mama, Emma, this is your fault. I've seen the kind of person you are. That's your daughter. You train her former. You train her well.
You are mad like this.
I can count how many cars that have been carrying your daughter. Different men, different places.
You are mad. You are a ritualist.
If you say the truth, let her say it.
You are mad.
How many cars?
You dare talk to my daughter like
that? Mama Chika. Mfria na car. Oh God, that your daughter. You didn't train her well. You did not train her well. Mashika is okay now. But you see, the God we serve. The God we serve will vindicate you people.
Go.
Mashika.
Mama, wait. Mama, don't stress yourself.
Pour me salt when you can. Look for water. Pour me water. Pour me water. So bad. Pour me water. I killed your daughter.
Can you go? Can you go?
Can
you go?
Mama Chika, Mama Chika. Mama Chika.
Hey!
Onyoshi, this man is not even remorseful.
Madam,
Hi. Mba.
We show him something.
How's the God to even insult my mother?
I assure you, after swearing our shrine, he will see the implication of what he had done. He came here telling us, Chidemma. He has been doing heaven and earth to this family. What does that mean?
Okay now.
Yeah?
Bali.
He must swear before our shrine.
If I make this money, then go down Malaga. Una go see my hustle go pay. Then go down Malaga. And if I make this money, then go down Malaga. Una go see my hustle go pay. Then go down Malaga.
Oh yeah, so you don't know. Hey! God, thank you. God, thank you. Hey, what? Yeah. This was high. When I fought for you before. Enter. Yeah. Hey. Who's up? Hey. When I heard your voice, I gave them this. Hey. Oga said, before I talk or before I even sit, I should deliver his message. Who this one?
Yeah! This is Ojula.
Hey, what? Hey, what? Who's that, mom?
Now, God said this one from him. This one from his son that just came back.
Give it to me one by one. I know you don't want to leave it. Hey! This is money.
Yes.
I know you will make it. You are a very smart girl. Anyhow is a how. Let's go. Enter again. Boom. Let's go inside. Yeah. Go. Let me follow you. One by one.
Oh. Akwa ni ozizi m ka m na-eji ihe ọbụla ikwuru ka m na-eme. Afam, step in here. Remove your shoe. Carry this pot. Alụnsi obodo ya kwa ozi ziri m ka m na-eje isi m kwuo ka m na-ekwu ogene. Say after me. If I know anything about Chidimma's disappearance,
If I know anything about Chidimma's disappearance,
or use her for money ritual,
or use her for money ritual,
or having been into any ritual in my life.
Say what you ask. Shut up, you. Talk to him.
My son.
or haven't been into any ritual in my life.
Let me die before the 3 market days.
Let me die. Let me die before the 3 market days.
Oh, akwa no zizuru m ka m na-eje ogene de isi m kwuo ekwugo m isi m kwuo. Let me warn you. Do not take this oath for granted. Because the deity of our land is not merciful. Oh, drop this pot.
Juliet, my sister. It was yesterday night I heard a knock at my door. As I opened, I saw Chidimma, Chika's sister, the one that got lost.
Wait, Cherry. Chidimma.
Yes.
Chika's sister.
Chika's sister. Wait. Chika's sister is still alive.
You mean Chidimma is alive?
She's alive. But she was looking so dirty and unkept. I was even afraid. I was scared if she was not a ghost. Nne, as I speak to you now, Chidimma is in my room sleeping. She told me how she got into a fine jeep with a fine boy. As a lift, my dear, all of a sudden she found herself inside a thick forest where she met other girls tied on a tree and their mouths sealed. It was only God that helped her to escape. In fact, she was raped. I'm telling you.
You mean Chidima was raped?
Yes, Chidima was raped. In fact, it took her days to escape from the bush. Until she met one man on a canoe at the river bank who helped her and saved her. After this man took her to the hospital for she to regain her senses back. Just join me to thank God that this girl did not die.
Why is this world so wicked? Why? You know what? I need to see her now. Do you know what Afam has gone through? Afam has gone through a lot. You need to take him to your house now. I need to take her to the village immediately so Afam can be vindicated though. Hey!
Let's go. She's in my house sleeping. She's in my house.
A good heart is good. A better heart is the best to you.
Mama!
Who is that? What is it? What is it?
Chidima.
What?
Chidima, it's alive.
Ah! Yes. Where is she? Which Chidima? Here she comes.
You are alive.
Mama, she's alive.
Mama,
Mama, calm down. Chidima, stand up, let's go inside. She has a lot of stories to tell.
No matter what you do, no matter how it goes, a good heart. He always thinks for a way forward. What to do to please all these people, oh. But no matter what you do, no matter how it goes, a good heart is good. A good heart is good. A better heart is the best to you. No matter what you do, it's always being good.
So the prodigal daughter has finally... No, don't come close to me. So, I'm no more a ritualist. I do not suck blood at night. So you people who subjected my name called me all sorts of names because I decided to help your family. Because I found love. You called me a ritualist for something I know nothing about. You see, I've come to realize that so many people in the prison are guilty of something they know nothing about. I could have been jailed. I could have been killed. You see, when I was invited, I said to myself, I must come and witness this. I must come and look you in the face and know why you did what you did. Why?
I'm sorry.
Do not say you are sorry. Why?
Please forgive us. Forgive us.
I should forgive you, Mama. No, you don't need to lie down. You see, I have learned my lessons. And deep down, I have forgiven this family.
Oh, thank you.
I will let things go.
Thank you.
And leave everything in the hands of God. Who am I to hold grudges against you? If God can forgive us, who am I? And the elders that subjected me to taking oath, I also forgive you.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you. God bless you. Oh, Machika Kosoria. Oh, yeah, Biko.
A good heart is good. A better heart is the best, yo. Is the best. No matter what you do, it's always being good to you. A good heart is good. Yo, a good heart is good to you. Is good. Is good. A better heart is the best, yo. Is the best. If us all see me best, it's always being good to you. A good heart is yo, good to all the way. On your pure mage, melele manoa. Maka, no matter what you do, no matter how it goes, a good heart is good. He always thinks for a way forward to go. What? A good heart is good. A better heart is the best, yo. Is the best. No matter what you do, it's always being good to you. A good heart is good. Yo, a good heart is good to you. Is good. A better heart is the best, yo. Is the best. If us all see me best, it's always being good to you. A good heart is good. Yo, good to all the way. On your pure mage, melele manoa. Maka, no matter what you do, no matter how it goes, a good heart is good. He always thinks for a way forward to go. What to do to please all these people, oh. But no matter what you do, no matter how it goes, a good heart is good. A good heart is good. Is good. A better heart is the best, yo. Is the best. No matter what you do, it's always being good to you. A good heart is good. Yo, a good heart is good to you. Is good. A better heart is the best, yo. Is the best. If us all see me best,